Welcome everybody. Today's video finds us up on top of a big old mountain here right outside of Busan. And what we did is we climbed up this mountain and we came over here to look at this Gamcheon Cultural Village. It's a village that goes back to the 1950s. It was where a bunch of refugees came over here and settled during the Korean War. So let's take a look at it and let's see what we see today. So over that away, if you can see through the little notch over there, that is Busan proper, and this is the cultural village up here. And what it is they settled here in the 50s. It was these people that came here, they built on this mountain, and they built each house on like little terraces, and they did it to where they wouldn't block the views of the people that were behind them. So they just stair-step them all the way up here. To get here is a bit of a hike. I guess you could take a taxi or something like that. We climbed up this mountain and it took us, I don't know, a better part of an hour, and it was a pretty strenuous climb. So that's what we came up here for, to see this. It's quite a nice view of the little village here. And up here behind it is just like parts of the jungle and stuff, the forest. This is the very top of the hill. And what they've done is they've actually put some little gardens and stuff so they can climb in some additional stairs to get back up in here. But it's quite a nice area. You're just on the outskirts of Busan, but it doesn't feel like that at all. They got their little gardens here growing the onions and stuff. Yeah, if you want, you can keep going down these little trails and stuff that goes down through the forest. But how cool is this? This is very, very nice. Busan is so hilly. There's hills everywhere. And in all the little valleys, they have all the development. Okay, so let's climb down off the hill and go down into the little village. Now they do walking tours of this area. You'll see people out here with the guides and they'll explain everything to you. Me, I just go by myself, but if you want detailed information, then a walking guide would probably be all right. You can see this goes down into the village. There's all kinds of people out here. We come up the back way off the main road, but there's a lot of people here. So down here in the little village part, they got some shops and stuff, selling some rainbow water mochi and some beer. Little knickknacks here. Oh, I got some fish ramen, dumpling ramen. You can sit over here and get something to eat. There's a temple up the hill, about 40 meters up that way. Yeah, this is an Instagrammer's dream here. You got the little murals. You got a church up ahead. And you got the girls here dressing up in the traditional clothes. Yeah, lots of little murals. Kind of a cool little windy roads up here. It is so touristy, but it's all right. Yeah, everywhere you look, people are taking pictures. Got a little bakery on the hill, Gamcheon Bakery. Yeah, this is a really nice area. Yeah, so we were way up there when we started the video. You can see how steep this hill is here. You got some handmade stuff up there. So here we got some little dolls, handmade dolls. Cell phone stuff. You got some juice. Ice cream would be nice. 5,000 won for some ice cream. You got some of the twisty cones. So if you haven't got your fill of photoing around all the buildings, they have the photo shop here. You can go in and get more photos done. Oh, this is some little art shops. Looks like they have some little cafes up on the roof, so you can have lunch or whatever, coffee, and enjoy the view. And more stuff up there. Some more frozen ice cream and a little French fry stuff. Even though it says I'm not French fry, are made from flour and starch and seasoning. It's like they call it like the old snack, I think. Grand Budapest Hotel. We got a lady here that's doing the sketches. So they have stanchions here with a queue to go sit over here and get your picture taken. Yeah, that's what everybody queues up to get their picture taken with behind them. Yeah, it is so windy and it is so crowded with all the tourists here. But it's still really a nice area. So when you come off the metro, you're way down there and you gotta climb up the road. There is a bus service, but I'm not sure where it goes to get up here. It'd be easy enough to find. We just climbed the hill and we went way up behind and around to get to here. So this is the Little Prince and the Phoenix Fox. There's a little story behind it. This is what everybody queues up here to take a picture of. We'll walk down here some more. It's just so windy. Yeah, really a nice little place. Lighthouse photo zone. And you can see there's a queue for people to go and do that too. Yes. Yeah, I have enough pictures of myself. It's not my thing to sit there and spend an hour to take one picture. That's some little bags and knickknacks. And these gals are wearing their camera out. Kind of a cool old house there. Made from recycled beach umbrellas is those bags. And it's little restaurants. And a guy over here dressed up in a Korean clothes. They're over here having the best time. Cafe from Choi. Little rooftop. And you can climb some stairs. Let's go up here and let's look at this. This looks interesting enough. Yeah, let's go up these stairs here. More popular photo places. Up here they got the murals of the people that settled this area. Little hand pump. So here was the original well, it looks like. Yeah, this area was known for having really clean water. That was one of the reasons why they settled here. So the road's kind of a horseshoe shape. So we'll go back up to that little hill and then we'll go back down over the main road that way. Yeah, lots and lots of people here. This may be the most touristy spot I've found in Busan. Probably the beach in the summertime would be more so, but this is pretty busy. So we came down this way. Let's go down the other part of the road now. Some dream catchers and cell phone stuff. More of the ladies dressed up. You see some of the houses here. You got the clotheslines and stuff, a little mural. Tons and tons of knick-knack shops. All the little magnets and t-shirts and stuff. And they've done a lot of like Korean movies here where they've came on these stairs and stuff like that. And down in here is like a little part of the community and stuff. You can go down into it and walk around. Yeah, the buildings are quite nice. This is kind of a cool 3-story little building here. So they put the wood on the front and then it's green on the other walls. So let's walk up a little alley here and take a look. Looks like a knick-knack stuff here. They just parked their motorcycle here by their house. So they do some engraving, make a little seal. Yeah, it's cool. Painted the front of the stairs and stuff. Give it a little bit of charm. Looks like we got a temple over this way. And some butterflies and stuff. And that just down, it goes down into more of the community. Less touristy over that way. So we got a little museum here. Some little murals there, or some little figures of some cats up there. Yeah, kind of a fun little area. More ice cream and snacks. Those little fish things that they have them on a stick. And they put it in the soup. Looks like we're down out of the little village here. Here's the Gamcheon Cultural Village sign. That's going to finish up our video over here at this Gamcheon Cultural Village. This was nice enough. It was fun. It was worth a look one time. It's, as you can see by all the people, it's pretty popular. A lot of people out here doing their Instagram and TikTok stuff. It's a great thing for them. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed walking around here and seeing what I saw today. If you did, smash the like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, stick around, and you're notified when I post a new video. And if you have any questions or comments, if you've been here, let me know. Tell me what you think. And until next time, from over here in Busan, remember, life is a journey. Until next time, enjoy.